Pretty brown, brown skin.
Want in? So this is our new 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in Las Vegas. So we got the kitchen. We got a whole bunch of storage space in the kitchen. We got an island, huge island.
Very nice.
We can cook on this side. We can cook on
Oh
this
my
side.
goodness. Here we
got
go.
4 bar stools. I can bartend right here.
Boy.
We got the washer and dryer.
Nice.
Pretty nice. Everything Whirlpool. This is pretty cool, by the way. The thermostat, so we can just touch it. It comes on like that. And then when you want to change it, you touch it like that. Off, emergency, fan, cool.
Nice.
Then you can change the temperature up and down. Pretty dope.
Nice.
We're gonna use this area.
Oh my goodness.
This is the guest bed and bathrooms, all connected.
Mm-hmm.
So this it's probably gonna be used as a content room, and then whenever we have guests, we gonna get we got this little self-inflating. We're going to get this self-inflating.
Hey, kicking those.
This is
Nice,
the
nice.
guest bathroom, double sinks, and this one too. Basically, the lady told us that we basically get 2 master bathrooms.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty dope though. So this is their shower right here. This is the closet for the guests, but we probably gonna be ended up using this as extra closet.
Mm-hmm.
We got shelves for shoes in here. That's pretty cool. And a whole bunch of storage space. So it's the living area right here. Pretty big. We're probably gonna end up mounting the TV. But we might not. Not sure. Zoe said it's up to me though. We got a balcony with a nice view too. We can see the mountains from right here.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. Nice, nice, nice.
It's really not really big, but it's big enough.
Yeah, we ain't gonna put up TV in here.
So
Yeah, show
we
them the
have-
switches.
We're starting to move all our TVs and stuff. Well, just one TV. And then we got settings for the fan and light. Is the sliding
Dog.
bar. Oh, sorry. Sliding
Gentle,
bar.
baby.
I'm using one finger. Different settings for it.
All right.
And then you have the. I never seen these buttons before for
Yeah, I
lights.
think that's cool.
Then this is the master bathroom. Double sinks in here too. Y'all already know we're gonna dress it up. Sliding shower. It's really nice. Yup. Chelsea, yup.
I'm not.
And this is the
Same
master closet. This is the same as the guest closet.
Very much.
But this is a whole bunch of space for us. We already don't wear clothes like that. We just wear a uniform, so.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is really exciting, really nice. Yeah, we can't wait to have guests and entertain. It'll be really fun. So
Yep. Where them keys at? Throw some D's on it. Hey, where them keys at? Where them keys at? Ah! All right, say it.
we'll see y'all when y'all get here.
Yeah. Me and Babe unpacking right now. We got a little train going on. Let me show y'all what we got going on. Babe over there unpacking the car. And he's just gonna put it at the edge of the step. And I'm gonna take it up to the house. So, you know what I'm saying? That's what we're gonna do. So, I'll check back in with y'all when we are done. I look a mess, I look dry. But it's okay, it's moving day. We feeling good, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'll check in out with y'all when we are done. And I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all, we finished unpacking. I didn't even have it. Okay, but it's a little stuff in the car. But we basically finished. I really don't have a lot of stuff, as y'all can see. I'm shaking, boy. But we live on the second floor. So it's light work because we in the Air Force, you feel me? But
ain't nothing but another day of PT out here.
no, for real. But we finna wrap up. We taking a little break right now, and then we gonna get the itty bitty stuff that's in my car. And then we gonna eat some chipotle because that's a reward for us. So yeah, Bay taking everybody back.
Yeah.
Because everybody checking in on us, making sure we good. So we will catch y'all later, I guess, whenever we check back in. So now give me keys. Right there. All right, y'all, we have officially dropped off the U-Haul, and this is the end of our video. Me and Bae finished unpacking everything, and now we're just about to go get some cleaning supplies and whatever we need for the house. But
And some Chipotle.
hey,
What?
oh my goodness.
Chipotle.
Yeah, no.
Oh.
Yeah, y'all. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I don't know what the next video will be, but thank y'all for joining along the ride, and we will see y'all until the next video. You wanna do your little hand thing?
Oh.